Hi guys, it's Igor from Atomic Car Review, and today our video how to replace outer mirror on Jaguar in X350 body. I would like to remind you that the X350 is Super V8, as this one is XJR and XJ8, and also probably in Europe XJ6. In this video you will understand how to take out your handle in case if you need it, for example, replace speaker or maybe replace a window motor, because it's going to be exactly the same procedure. Before order mirror for your car, don't forget to check what kind of mirror do you have. It's two options, one of them with manual folding and with automatic folding. Our car is top of the line Super V8, that's why we have automatic folding mechanism on it. And that's the main reason why we're replacing this mirror. Probably after some small accident, this car gets this gap over here and a lot of salt from the road get inside, and all this I would say movement mechanism stuck, and right now I cannot fold it. And also all brackets is rotted out, and you see right now it's play like this. That's the reason why we're replacing this mirror. We found this mirror on junkyard, used one, for $100. But we found it only red with a power folding mechanism. But we're gonna flip this cover to chrome one and probably save some money. I would say it's not the perfect mirror. I would say in good condition on US market you can find it more than 150, but at least it's better than what we have right now. First of all, let's remove this cover and I will show you what's going on underneath. It's pretty easy. All what you need to do is just put this tiny screwdriver behind this chrome cap and pull it a little bit up. You see, after salt get inside, all aluminum parts just rotted out. Right now we're gonna put the door on the parts, and I would say it's one of the most easiest car which I ever do, because we need to disconnect this wiring from inside of the door. To open this door you need to remove this plug behind of the you're gonna see some screw, two screws behind the handle, underneath one of them over here, another one here, and one tiny small plastic clip on the center of the door. Regular Phillips screwdriver for bottom screws. Torx number 20 for upper bolt. Right now it's time to take a door panel out. It's much better to use big screwdriver, flat one. And if you can, try to put this underneath. In this case nobody gonna see, even if you're gonna scratch your body of the car. And if you can, try to take the screwdriver as much as possible closer to plastic clips. You don't have to take this part out, it's gonna stay on the car. The door panel is over here, the same edge is here. This plastic remains standing on the door. You need to take this part out. There's a gap. For easier work, I would take this panel out. You need to remove the door handle cable. You need to move this piece right here. You see this gap here? Move this way and then take it out on top. And this part's supposed to be stay here. Also, you need to disconnect this connector. Just press on a clip and take it out. That's the mirror connector. That's why we open this door. All what you need is just disconnect them and the three nuts which hold this mirror behind this plastic cover. I'm taking out the wiring harness at the last moment, because in case if you're gonna drop mirror, it's gonna hold by this connector and you're not gonna destroy it. Of course, Jaguar manual required to take all this plastic cover out, but to be honest, it's much easier to do just if you're gonna take it out a little bit over here on the angle and use just regular ratchet like this. You need to put this red button up and then press on the clip and then take out the whole harness. Right now I will show you what salt does with aluminum mirrors. You see, aluminum looks like a foil and upper bolt already loose. That's what's supposed to be inside. Right now we're putting new mirror back and everything going in opposite direction. The reason why I'm not really like this mirror because of this small movement. I hope it's not gonna shake during the driving. Or maybe we're gonna open this cover over here and try to tie it a little bit. Connect all electrical parts, and right now we can check if mirror is working. First of all, if it's fault by power and if we can adjust it. Right now we can put everything together. When you're gonna put this plastic cover, you don't forget that you need to pull it inside behind this lower one. Guys, just would like to tell you, if you need to work with your power window, it's very easy to reach your power window motor, because all what you need to do just unscrew all these Torx bolts and all this plastic cover get out, and then you have like huge access to your power window motor. And maybe we're gonna do this in one of our future video, because when you use this automatic windows, sometimes it goes down because probably you have too much, I would say, power on the motor and time to replace it. Before do installation of door panel, I would like to recommend you put all this plastic green one stuff inside the door. You see, one of them is stay here. Right now we're gonna disconnect it from this door panel and put back, probably this part is somewhere from over here. And also you see some of the door clip has this noise reducer washer. Don't forget to check them if all of them have it. First of all, we're gonna attach door handle, then harness. Looks like everything is done. Just would like to remind you to put panel back. You need to put one screw back behind the door handle, two underneath the knees of this door handle, and one clip on the bottom. The tool I use for this project is Torx number 20, big Phillips screwdriver, small flat screwdriver, 10mm ratchet. And would be helpful and much easier if you have a clip remover and flat screwdriver, but that's not necessary. One more project is done. If this video was interesting and helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up.